Hello everyone, welcome back to our latest video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix login error and unexpected error occur. Please try logging in again on your Facebook. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen. Actually there are 4 methods to solve this problem, so you have to follow. In first method, open settings app on your device and then scroll it down and tap on general and again scroll it down, and here is the reset, so type it and now reset network settings. Tap here, enter your passcode and now tap on reset network settings. So hopefully your problem will be solved, and if the still problem is not solved, then go for the second steps. For this step, again open settings app on your device, then scroll it down and tap on general, again scroll it down and tap on reset, and you have to erase here all content and settings. So tap on erase all content and settings and select here backup then erase or erase now. So whichever option you want you can select. So I'm selecting erase now. So after this your problem will be solved, and if the problem still is not fixed, then go for the third step. And in third step what you have to do is check whether you have the Facebook which is updated version of the Facebook or an old version. If you have an old version and there is an updated version, then go for the updated version. And if the problem still is not solved, then what you have to do is uninstall your Facebook and then reinstall it again. So hopefully your problem will be solved, and if the problem still is not solved, then go for the fourth step. For this, again open settings app and then scroll it down and tap on general, and now tap on iPhone storage, scroll it down and tap on Facebook, and here you have to offload app, so tap on offload app and then again tap on offload app. After deleting the data, you have to reset your iPhone. For this, open settings, scroll it down and tap general, again scroll it down and tap on shutdown, and after this you have to slide the slider towards the right, and hopefully your problem will be solved. So that's it for today video. If you have any question, then let me tell in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.